Get the fuck out!
Fuck you, stupid motherfucker!
Krakatoa! Get the fuck out! Can't you see we're closed? Oh, wait, you serious? Let me laugh even harder.
This society is a bunch of idiots.
You serious? Or would you rather be a mule?
Horse will bring a nice price.
You should have gone for the head.
Know your fucking place, trash!
Oh, hang on a second. I'm stuck behind some stupid fat ass. Hey, up yours, you jerks!
Get the fuck out! Get the fuck out! Krakatoa! Get the fuck out! Get the fuck out!
It goes something like this.
All women are queens. If she breathes, she's a thought!
Well, my bonus gone.
Crazy bastard.
This is simply it. The Dark Cry conspiracy generally points the Monkey Man lie to the service staff that the town is going to be deleted under Dark Cry's influence, while the Patix conspiracy points out that Dark Cry lied to staff about that Homeo would delete the town because he didn't care for the people and only cared for the money and builds.
I have no idea what the fuck I'm talking about.
Hey! Get away from my steps, motherfucker!
Hey, fuck your mama!
Fuck your mama, asshole!
Fuck you!
Fuck you back!
You're banned! I'm just looking for the bathroom. You're banned from that too! I am banned from the bathroom? Every bathroom! No!
See how smart you feel with internal security all over your freaking ass.
No, what the fuck? You are not!
Next news on you will be when I read the after-action report.
Fuck you, I'm calling the cops!
Well, why don't you just sit tight and I'll order up a little celebration for you, including fireworks.
I'm gonna put an end to this shit show forever!
Well, pardon me for not blowing sunshine up your ass, your highness, but I'm a little too busy for this. Have a nice day.
Mom, grab your friends.
You're dead, son! You motherfucking dead, son!
Here I come! Yeah!
You can kiss my ass!
Bro, are you high?
Let me check. Yes.
Although for one of you, the darkest pit of hell has opened to swallow you whole, so don't keep the devil waiting, friend.
Take this job and shove it. I ain't working here no more. Take this job and shove it. I ain't working here no more. Take this job and shove it. I ain't working here no more.
You son of a bitch.
2 hours later.
I'm good when I see you. It's on sight. It is on
Yeah, piss off.